Draganfly is pleased to announce that we have been selected for an exclusive partnership with Veterans Elite Drone Training Services. Veterans Elite Drone Training Services is dedicated to supporting Canadian veterans in transitioning into the drone industry by providing comprehensive pilot training. This partnership will offer an immersive, cutting-edge, proprietary online virtual ground course for veterans where they will be able to obtain their advanced, remotely piloted aircraft systems license certified by Transport Canada. This certification is crucial for the requirement of operating drones commercially. Draganfly has also been selected to supply drones to Veterans Elite Drone Training Services for trainees to gain valuable flight experience on what is amongst the most versatile and advanced equipment in the industry. Trainees will have the opportunity to train in courses for specific industrial applications and use cases with focused instructions on how to operate specialized payloads and sensors like LiDAR, thermal imaging cameras, and magnetometers for inspection operations, mapping applications, and more. Veterans Elite Drone Training Services training platform is providing veterans with the skills and knowledge required to drive innovation in sectors including infrastructure, agriculture, public safety, and environmental conservation. The implementation of this advanced partnership has already commenced with the online virtual ground school, and the specialized courses for industrial applications will begin in late June 2023. Draganfly is honored to offer the hands-on training and career development support to our Canadian veterans. This will enable them to obtain certifications necessary to seamlessly integrate into the workforce.